Let's continue learning algebra. We are going to identify the variables, find coefficients, count the number of terms. We are going to understand what are like terms and unlike terms, simplify the expressions, and also finding the value of expressions. In this question, we need to identify the variable in this expression 7a plus 4. So what is a variable first? A variable is a letter that represents a number that can change. Means a letter that can change its value. So what is the letter here that can change its value? The answer is A. It can hold any value, right? 1, 2, 3 and so on. Identify the coefficient in the term 9x. So what is a coefficient? It is the number multiplying the variable. So which is the number multiplied by the variable here? It is 9, as the variable here is x, right? So the coefficient is 9. Now in this expression you have to identify how many terms are there. So terms are separated by positive or negative signs, right? So we need to identify the terms. One is 6x, other one is plus 5y, and the third one is minus 4. So how many terms? The answer is 3. Let me give you a question. So the question is 5x plus 3. Can you tell me which is the variable here? Yes, the variable here is x. Can you identify the coefficient in the term 5x plus 3? Yes, the coefficient is 5 because it is being multiplied by the variable. And what is plus 3? Plus 3 is the constant. What is it? It is the constant. Why constant? Because it is not going to change its value, right? Well done. Look at the two terms 4x and 7x and you have to tell, are these the like terms or the unlike terms? So how can we tell that the terms are like terms? First we need to see the variable, right? So the variable is same in both the terms. Yes, it is same x. Then we need to see the power of the variable x, which is also same. The power of x is 1 here, right? In both the terms. So we can say that the terms are like terms. 4x and 7x are like terms. Can you give me another example of like terms? 2a and 7a, right? Now we have to simplify the algebraic expression 5x plus 2x. So in the expression 5x plus 2x, what we need to do? We have to add the coefficients and keep the variable same. So the answer is 7x. So how did we solve this question? First see that whether the terms are like terms or not. 5x and 2x are the like terms, right? Then we will add the coefficients and we will keep the variable as is, right? So the answer will be 7x. Find the value of the expression 3x plus 4. So if the value of x is 2, that's given. So how do we solve this question? We first need to substitute or replace the value of x by 2, right? So 3 times 2 plus 4. We have replaced the value of x. Now we will multiply first. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then we will add it by 4. So the answer is 10. So what are the steps we followed? First we substituted the value of the variable, then we multiplied and then we added. Next question, find the value of expression 5y minus 3 if y is equals to 4. So again we will substitute the value of y, then we will multiply first, then we will subtract. You got the same answer? Well done. Simplify the expression 4a plus 3 plus 2a. So here Let's bring the like terms together. So 4a plus 2a plus 3. And then we know that we can add 4a and 2a. This will give us 6a plus 3, right? So what we did, we combined the like terms first and we kept the constant as it is. Okay, find the value of 6a plus 3 if a is equals to 2. So take a pause, solve this question. We have already tried this question before. We are going to replace a with the value which is given plus 3, right? So 6 times 2 is 12. We will multiply first, then we will add it by 3. So the answer is 15. So you're confidently handling algebraic expressions now. In this video, we have identified the variables, we have understood how to find the coefficients, we have counted the number of terms, we have solved the questions on like terms and unlike terms, and how to simplify expressions, and we also learned how to find the value of expressions. In the next video, we will practice more questions on algebra and we will level up closer to exam type thinking. Thank you.